Hi, this is Daryl Peterson with Micromeasurements. I'd like to take a few minutes and introduce you to a new strain gauge that we've been working on. This new one now uses a flex circuit to transition between a ribbon cable and out to the strain gauge. It's probably difficult to see in the video, but this is actually a 3-element stacked rosette. We call it a G1350, and this is the A version, so a G1350A. It's got 3 sensitive grids on it at 45, 0, and a minus 45 degree direction, which is known as a rectangular style rosette. You can take this gauge and glue it onto the surface of your part, and you can calculate maximum and minimum principal strains and direction based off of the 3 separate measurements from those grids. The difference now, though, is that you'll see that we've got it installed with a flex circuit, and then it comes down and transitions into 10 feet of a ribbon style cable. Where this type of strain gauge is useful is when you've got very small areas and you're not sure about the strain field. If you're not sure of direction to orient the gauge, that's when you ought to be using a 3-element rosette, and this is one that has a very, very small footprint that you can get it into tight spaces and quarters. A lot of times these types of strain gauges get used on printed circuit boards by our customers where they're trying to determine the amount of strain that's being induced into the components that are on the printed circuit board. So if you've got an application where you're not sure about the strain field, or you're chasing after loads that are getting induced into electronic components on a printed circuit board, you might want to consider using this G1350A. It's a very small 3-element stacked rosette that will allow you to solve for principal strains and direction. If you'd like to find out more about the G1350 or any of the micromeasurement strain gauges, take a look at our website at www.micro-measurements.com. Thank you.